So, a few weeks ago, I uploaded a video in which I shown you guys how you can make your own web browser by PyQt5 coding. That video now closed more than 150 views all over YouTube. So, I thought to celebrate this 150 views anniversary, let's make another PyQt5 coding video. So today, I will be showing you guys how can you make your own digital document writer, for example, your own MS Word through that same process. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
We will be following the same process to code this program as well. First of all, we will be needing to have PyQt5 installed on our PC. So, I am just reviewing the clip from that video to know how we can install PyQt5 on our PC. So let's watch it. Is PyQt5. Search on Google and click on the first link. Copy the file and paste it on the terminal and hit enter. It will be needing some moments to get installed on the PC. Now we have to follow the same process only. You have to go to my channel's page and then go to the about section of my channel. Then click on my GitHub profile and you will be sent to my GitHub profile. Then you have to click on the digital document writer repository and go to the main.py file, which has all the codes of this program. And from there you have to copy paste all the code on your IDE's project. And as always, I will be using PyCharm for this, which is a very good IDE. After pasting all the code and installing PyQt5, you have to finally click on the run button, and there you will be having your own created digital document writer, which is very ideally be compared to your own MS Word project or your program. In this program, you will be having all the features of the quick access toolbar present in the MS Word, like undo and redoing options, as well as you can increase or decrease the font sizes in this editor as well, which is exactly the same functions that MS Word have in the quick access toolbar. But you will see that there is something missing. The icons of the quick access toolbars are missing. It is because that we have not downloaded any pictures to input there, but you can give it in on your own by writing some more codes and inputting your image properties URL. But the main purpose is to make the program function like MS Word, and in that case we are very successful. So I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, then please hit the like button and please consider subscribing. And if you like my GitHub repository, then make sure to follow me on there as well and give me a star on that GitHub repository. And I have nothing to say now, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye and take care. Very important, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.